everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today I have a Mint Mongoose May jewelry subscription. Stay tuned. Okay, so today I have a Mint Mongoose jewelry subscription. Mint Mongoose has two different jewelry subscriptions. This one is the regular one, which is $15.99, and they do have a black version, which is $22.99. So the $15.99 one has 3 pieces in it every month, and then you get one kind of like a little gift every 3rd month in your bag. And then the $22.99, which is the black version, you get 4 pieces in it, and the same I think it is for you every 3rd month you get a gift. So I'm just on the basic level. Let me go ahead and open this. And see what we have inside. So inside, this is how it looks. It always comes in this little package inside the green foil looking package, and that's where your items are at. And there's a little piece of Werther's candy. Every package that they send out, they put this little piece of Werther's candy, a little goodie for us. So let's go ahead and open up the package and see what I got inside. So inside, I got the little packages. Looks like I have a little ring. So let's go ahead and open that first. Okay, so here's the ring right here. It is a little big for me. It doesn't look like you can make this a different size. It's only one size, so I'll have to give that to someone who fits in a little bit bigger of a ring size. I only wear like a 5.5, so I have really small fingers. So unless they send us things that I can kind of squish together, you know what I think, you know what I mean. I can't wear them otherwise. But I have plenty of people that I can send it out to. So let's see what we have inside here. These are the earrings. I'm going to put these on the little, here, let me see that. I have a little black cardboard that I try to use to show you guys what things look like. So it makes it easier to see. So I'm going to put these on there. So here is the earrings so far. Let's see if this is a bracelet or necklace in here. They're all wrapped separately in little plastic. And hopefully it won't be tangled so I can get it out easy enough. So glad to see that. Can you see this? Here, let me put it on the board. It's gonna make it a lot easier to see. How does that look? So you can see the earrings and the necklace. That is really pretty. And you can see all of the little beading. So hopefully you can see that well. So I did the $15.99 subscription, which I received the necklace, the ring, and the earrings. See, I'll put I don't know if you can see it on me or not. It's kind of like they feel like they're like in a bell shape. Not 100% sure. Do have some little colored stones in them. Very pretty. So this is my subscription for May, and it was $15.99. So I do like this one. It's just the ring part, which I have here, that I will go ahead and pass on to somebody. The earrings and the necklace I will be keeping. I like both of those. So I think May was a great month. I had a good month for this subscription. So on my description below, I will leave you the referral link for Mint Mongoose. I'm not 100% sure how much you will receive off for that, but you can go ahead and click on it and get in there and order your own. $15.99. So what they do, there is a style quiz in the beginning, and you go through the style quizzes of what colors do you like? Do you like silver, gold, or rose gold, or all of them? And it goes through all those questions. It also asks, do you want earrings? Yes or no. Do you want watches? Yes or no. And no, of course, I don't want watches because I'm blind, cannot see a watch, so it's kind of useless for me to have that. It just asks you a bunch of questions. You can pick silver, gold, or surprise me. That's it. So for the longest time I picked silver, and then I realized, okay, I have 1,000 silver necklaces. I need to try another color. So I put surprise me. So I've been getting different colors now in my subscription, and I'm very happy with this subscription. It is affordable and budget friendly, and you do get a very pretty items, and so I'm excited about this one. So I just want to say thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Thank you for hanging out with me. I have lots of other stuff that I'm putting out right now, lots of content. So if you like travel videos, you like weekly vlogs, fashion, beauty, skincare, just about anything, whatever I feel like putting on my channel at this time. So just come back and visit, subscribe, click the bell so you know when I am putting out new videos, and like the video. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed watching. I enjoyed making this, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.